Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cat litter boxes for small spaces that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the LCZL-BRD upgraded fully enclosed cat litter box in yellow and gray. This product stands out for its fully enclosed design, which ensures no spillage of litter and helps maintain cleanliness wherever it's placed, be it in your bedroom, bathroom, or even the yard. With a sleek and modern design and 3 modes of use, this litter box is suitable for cats transitioning from kittenhood to adulthood. The in-out switch knob allows you to choose between front entry and top exit or front entry and front exit, adding versatility to the design. Performance-wise, the enclosed structure and deodorization bag help trap odors effectively, keeping your room smelling fresh. The drawer system makes cleaning hassle-free, while the sturdy build ensures durability. However, it's worth noting that the interior space may be somewhat limited for larger cats, as this model is recommended for felines weighing up to 12 pounds. Assembly is straightforward, and the lightweight build makes it easy to move, making it a practical choice for small spaces or people on the go. Pros include its odor control, innovative entry-exit options, and easy-to-clean drawer system. However, the limited size and slightly lower customer ratings, 3.9 out of 5 stars, compared to other models, make it better suited for smaller cats or kittens. If you're looking for a stylish yet functional litter box with a pop of color, this one is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the LCZL-BRD upgraded fully enclosed cat litter box in white and gray. This model shares many of the same features as the yellow and gray version, including its fully enclosed design, drawer system for cleaning, and multi-mode entry-exit options. The neutral and modern color scheme makes it a better fit for minimalist or monochromatic home decor, blending seamlessly into any room. This litter box is ideal for cats up to 12 pounds and offers a clean, contained environment for your feline. Performance-wise, the enclosed space ensures there's no litter spillage, and the deodorization bag works to keep odors at bay. The drawer design remains a highlight, allowing quick and easy cleaning without the need for liners. The box is lightweight, easy to assemble, and well-suited for indoor use or travel. However, the size limitations restrict its use for larger cats, and while the design is practical, some users have noted that it could benefit from sturdier construction. Pros include its odor-trapping capabilities, easy cleanup, and versatile design, while the cons are mainly related to size constraints and slightly lower durability. With a customer rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars, this product is a strong contender for those seeking a compact and stylish litter box for small spaces. At number 3, we have the Mug Kitty Litter Box for kittens. This litter box is specifically designed for smaller cats, making it a perfect choice for kittens or petite breeds. The high-sided design prevents litter from spilling over, ensuring that your floor stays clean. Additionally, it features a hollow-out pedal at the entrance, which helps remove litter from your cat's paws as they exit the box. This thoughtful detail is great for maintaining cleanliness in your home. The build quality is decent, with lightweight PP plastic that's easy to move and clean. The semi-enclosed structure works well for kittens, although it might not provide enough privacy for adult cats. Cleaning is straightforward. Simply pour out the litter and rinse the pan with warm water. However, the size limitations mean it's not ideal for medium or large-sized cats. Performance-wise, it's functional and easy to use. But the lack of advanced features like odor control might be a deal-breaker for some. Pros include its affordability, ease of cleaning, and thoughtful design for kittens. Cons include its limited size and lack of an enclosed structure for privacy and odor control. With a customer rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars, this litter box is a solid pick for kitten owners seeking a budget-friendly option. At number 2, we have the LifeWit Litter Box with Faux Plant. This innovative product doubles as a decorative piece, cleverly disguising itself as a flower pot with an 18-leaf simulated plant. If you're looking for a litter box that blends seamlessly into your living room or bedroom, this is an excellent option. It features a roomy interior suitable for cats of all sizes, and the low threshold height makes it accessible for kittens or senior cats. Performance-wise, it excels in odor control thanks to its activated carbon filter, which traps and neutralizes smells effectively. The closed bin design also keeps dust and dander contained. Cleaning is simplified by the glossy finish and user-friendly assembly system, making it convenient to maintain. The design is both durable and visually appealing, with thoughtful features like a rotating flower pot for stability and an included scoop with a dedicated hook. Pros include its unique aesthetic, effective odor control, and ease of cleaning, while cons are its slightly higher price point and heavier build compared to other options. Rated 4.5 out of 5 stars by customers, this is a premium option for those who value style as much as functionality. And finally, at number 1, we have the Arm & Hammer Large Sifting Litter Box by PetMate, our top pick for small spaces. This litter box is a game changer thanks to its patented lift-to-sift design that eliminates the need for scooping, making your cleaning routine much faster and more efficient. Built-in microban protection provides maximum odor control, keeping your home smelling fresh while inhibiting bacterial growth. The design is spacious yet compact, making it ideal for small spaces. It's made from recycled materials, earning it eco-friendly points, and supports various types of litter, including clumping and pine pellets. The durable plastic build is lightweight yet sturdy, and the dimensions are thoughtfully designed to accommodate cats comfortably. With a 4.4-star rating from over 51,000 reviews, this product has proven its reliability and effectiveness among a large customer base. Pros include its innovative sifting system, excellent odor control, and affordable price, while cons are limited color options and the need to replace the box annually for optimal performance. At just $19.95, this product offers the best value for money and is a perfect choice for pet owners seeking efficiency and practicality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.